Yay. Now your job. See this movie? Have you seen the movie The Sixth Sense?
Yeah.
I'm going to play a scene from the movie, and your job is to finish the scene in the most dramatic, your best acting face ever. Okay? Ready? Set? I'm going to go. I'm going to stop it right there. What happens next?
I see dead people. I don't know what he says next, but they're everywhere. Oh, I was right.
Yeah! Good job. How about you? Come on over. No, it's right. Oh, it's on the other side, right there. All right. If you win the 500, make him give you 250. All right.
I have my own card.
You get Pretty Butterfly, and wait, let me show you the final thing. I'm gonna hit stop here.